Kangaroos are marsupials, meaning they carry their young in a pouch. They are native to Australia and are found in various habitats, from forests to grasslands. Kangaroos are known for their powerful hind legs, which they use for hopping. There are 4 main species of kangaroos: the red kangaroo, eastern gray kangaroo, western gray kangaroo, and antilopine kangaroo. Kangaroos can hop at speeds up to 40 miles per hour or 64 kilometers per hour. Male kangaroos are called bucks, boomers, or jacks, while females are called does, flyers, or jills. Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grasses and plants. They have a unique way of breeding called embryonic diapause, where females can delay the development of their embryos until conditions are favorable. Kangaroos have excellent hearing and can swivel their ears independently to detect sounds from different directions. The tail of a kangaroo is used for balance while hopping and can also be used as a powerful weapon for defense. Kangaroos have a specialized stomach with 4 compartments to efficiently digest their fibrous diet. They are social animals and often gather in groups called mobs or troops. Kangaroos communicate through vocalizations, body language, and foot thumping. The lifespan of a kangaroo varies by species, with some living up to 20 years in the wild. Kangaroos have a unique method of locomotion called pentapedal walking, where they use their tail as a 5th limb while moving slowly. Female kangaroos can have multiple births at different stages of development, allowing them to nurse one joey while another is still developing in the pouch. Kangaroos play a significant role in Australian culture and are featured on the country's coat of arms. They've been hunted for their meat, hides, and fur, leading to conservation concerns for some species. Kangaroos are excellent swimmers and can often be found cooling off in waterways during hot weather. Despite their reputation as symbols of Australia, kangaroos can also be found in New Guinea and surrounding islands. Kangaroos have a unique way of cooling down by licking their forearms, which helps to increase the rate of heat loss through evaporation. Their population numbers can fluctuate dramatically in response to environmental factors such as drought and food availability. Kangaroos have a highly developed sense of smell, which they use to detect predators and find food. The muscles in a kangaroo's tail are among the strongest in their body, allowing them to support their weight while sitting or balancing. Some species of kangaroos, like the red kangaroo, are known for their ability to cover long distances in search of food and water. Kangaroos have a prehensile upper lip that they use to grasp and manipulate food while feeding. They are crepuscular animals, meaning they are most active during dawn and dusk. Kangaroos are important to the Australian ecosystem as they help to maintain the balance of plant populations through grazing. The gestation period of a kangaroo varies by species, but is generally around 30 days. Kangaroos have been studied extensively by scientists to better understand marsupial reproduction, physiology, and behavior. Kangaroos have a unique adaptation called obligate nasal breathing, meaning they can only breathe through their noses, not their mouths, which helps them conserve water. Their large hind feet are adapted for powerful propulsion while hopping, and have a unique structure that allows them to absorb the impact of landing. Kangaroos have a low metabolic rate compared to other mammals of their size, which helps them conserve energy in their arid habitats. They have a specialized dental structure adapted for grazing, with sharp incisors for cropping grass and molars for grinding tough vegetation. Kangaroos are capable of leaping great distances, with some species capable of jumping over obstacles as high as 3 meters or 10 feet. They have a highly developed sense of vision, with eyes positioned on the sides of their head, providing them with a wide field of view. Kangaroos are known to groom themselves and each other, especially in social groups, which helps to maintain their fur and remove parasites. The population dynamics of kangaroos are influenced by factors such as predation, disease, and competition for resources within their ecosystems. Kangaroos have adapted to diverse environments across Australia, from the arid outback to coastal regions and mountainous areas. They have a strong maternal instinct, with females providing extensive care for their young, including grooming, protection, and teaching them essential survival skills. Kangaroos have a unique digestive system that includes fermentation chambers in their stomachs, allowing them to break down tough plant material more efficiently, Some kangaroo species, such as the red kangaroo, exhibit sexual dimorphism, with males being significantly larger and more muscular than females. Kangaroos are known to engage in playful behavior, including boxing matches between males to establish dominance or court females. The reproductive success of kangaroos can be influenced by environmental factors, such as rainfall patterns and vegetation availability. Kangaroos have adapted to Australia's landscapes, with some species using their strong hind legs to escape quickly when wildfires occur. Kangaroos are capable of reaching sexual maturity at a young age, with females often breeding for the first time at around 18 months old. Some Aboriginal Australian cultures have traditional stories and rituals involving kangaroos, reflecting their significance in indigenous beliefs and practices. Kangaroos have been depicted in various forms of art, literature, and media, both in Australia and internationally, symbolizing the unique wildlife of the continent. Despite their iconic status, kangaroos face ongoing threats from habitat loss, vehicle collisions, and human encroachment, highlighting the importance of conservation efforts to protect their populations. The hind feet of kangaroos are elongated and have a thick, elastic tendon called the Achilles tendon, which acts like a spring, storing and releasing energy during hopping. Kangaroos are known to produce a variety of vocalizations, including grunts, clicks, and coughs, which they use for communication within their social groups. Kangaroos have a highly developed sense of touch, with specialized receptors in their hands and feet that help them navigate their environment and manipulate objects. Kangaroos have a unique reproductive strategy known as induced ovulation, where females only release eggs for fertilization after mating, increasing the chances of successful reproduction. Kangaroos have specialized adaptations for conserving water, including efficient kidneys that produce concentrated urine and the ability to reduce metabolic water loss through breathing. Kangaroos are often portrayed in popular culture as symbols of strength, agility, and endurance, inspiring admiration and fascination around the world.